Club Lounge is the soul of true 5-star luxury hotels. Second visit to Intercontinental Kaohsiung, unboxing suite room with harbour view, revealing Club Lounge, amazing services. How about the hotel facilities?
Hi, I'm Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Papa's channel and good day from Kaohsiung. This is Taiwan's second largest city, offering a far better living vibe compared to crowded Taipei. It's a well-planned city with metro, high-speed rail, light rail, and harbour access. I've stayed at several hotels in Kaohsiung, but this is likely the one I'll revisit before the complete tour of the Harbour View Suite at Intercontinental Kaohsiung. As always, I'll share how I got here. Previously, I took the business class high-speed rail from Taipei. Do you know all the perks and which carriage is for business class? Check the link below. If you travel by high-speed rail to Intercontinental Kaohsiung, you can take a taxi for 350 Taiwan dollar or the metro to R8 Sanduo Shopping District Station for just 30 Taiwan dollar. Both just take you about 30 minutes. The hotel recommends exit 2, but it only has stairs. Don't climb it, there's a lift just right next to it. This is a premium area with multiple shopping malls. Like this mega mall is just at the exit of the metro station. And Hotel Intercontinental Kaohsiung is located across the street. Walking in Kaohsiung can be pleasant at night, but daytime in summer is a disaster. Even less than 10 minutes will make you sweat. Intercontinental Kaohsiung is a new luxury landmark in southern Taiwan and the first intercontinental hotel in Taiwan, having just opened in 2021. I did a complete review last time and not much has changed. You can check my previous reports for facilities and services. But this time I booked the suite room. Let's go and unbox for you. Upon arrival, the door staff provides warm greetings, opens doors, and assists with luggage if needed. The main lobby is modern, premium, and matches the luxury hotel design. Since we booked a suite with lounge access, follow me to the shortcut to the Club Lounge on the 5th floor, the same floor as Wara Japanese restaurant. But just turn left after the dark walkway and you'll find a beautiful, bright, and premium furnished Club Lounge. The lounge design is unique in this hotel. It feels like an upper-class private club with top-notch service. Personally, if the price gap for lounge access is under $100, it's absolutely worth it. A complete next level of hospitality. We can sit on the sofa and order welcome drinks during check-in process. Of course, all day, soft drinks and snacks are complimentary for lounge guests. If you time it right, free afternoon tea and happy hour dinner will keep you full all day. As an IHG Ambassador Diamond member, I received another welcome drink vouchers and a 599 Taiwan dollar discount dining voucher. Later, I'll visit Wara restaurant to show you what we got. After smooth check-in, let's head to our 10th floor suite. The hallway has an indoor window overlooking Wara restaurant with a light show on this tall wall. The main theme tonight, One King Junior suite room at the corner. Let's check it out.
Alright, this is my second visit of Intercontinental Kaohsiung, and this time I got a suite room, number 1015. Let's go! Wow! Let's take a look at the view first, as always. So this is a view from the main bedroom. It's actually, you can see the harbor. So, but it's at night, so we cannot see right now. Tomorrow morning we'll show you. And let's take a look at the main bedroom. The main bedroom got a small lounge chair right here, and the turn-on service has been provided. So they put the slippers and the carpet on it, with the laundry bags with here, and also the remote in the leather sleeve. Quite premium. At the bedside, they also provide a glass and also a cookie. The good design for this one is they got an angle for it, so it won't be difficult to use when charge the power for your phone devices. Oh, it looks quite elegant anyway. A big TV right here.
Here is an open wardrobe, bathrobes on the top, with some hangers have been provided. Let's take a look at these drawers. A safe in it with a premium jewelry holder. Another slippers here. Look a bit smaller. Fascinated, it's a kid's one for Leon. Well done, Intercontinental. Below they are shoe stretchers and some shoe amenities. More laundry bag you can find. And also a weigh scale to tell me don't eat too much. By the way, this bag is free to use in the hotel, but you must buy it if you want to take it home.
Alright, connect to the main bedroom. It's a very huge bathroom. Oh, let's take a look. This bathtub is quite huge with a very great view to the library over there and also the harbor. Of course, we should turn it down when having a shower right here. They provide the Byredo soap with this bath salt. This is for the fragrance. Here is another toilet. Actually, in this suite room, they got two toilets. It's quite nice. So this toilet here, quite elegant, and with the two sinks. I love the design with the two sinks that we can share with the family. The Dyson hair dryer, quite a premium one, with the towels, and since there's no more amenities provided, so it's only mouthwash they preloaded. Since we come with the Leon today, they also provide the kids toothbrush. And what is this? This is kids shampoo, I think, and kids soap. Lovely, very thoughtful. And all the amenities are using the Byredo. It's a kind of a standard for Intercontinental. And this is also very special. They got a drinking water here, so we can drink directly. However, it's only cold. If you want hot water, you can use the kettle. Here is the shower room. It's actually not so big, but still well designed. Okay, all the amenities are Byredo. Nice one. Alright, let's move to the living room. Okay, in the main living room area, you got another TV right here with the sofa and also the table, and the working desk right here. Provide all the essential informations like room service and all the details about this hotel.
Though local policy means hotels don't proactively provide amenities, they offer a long free request list, even power banks and charging cables. Very thoughtful services.
This is quite a complete accessory box. It's a pen, pencil, and something you may need with a ruler. Nice one. Beautiful flowers, elegant lighting, and also another view here, but it's mainly facing to the city. Hi! And let's take a look at the minibar. So they got the premium kettle right here, ice bucket, and also the premium coffee machine. This cup is actually, if we open it, it's a charged. Watch it if you want to use this cup. The tea and the snacks and the candies are free. They also provide a quite elegant teapot. What's inside? This is a menu for minibar. And let's take a look. The chocolate costs 250 Taiwan dollar. And Sprite, 80 Taiwan dollar. Not too bad for a 5-star hotel. And how about the minibar? The coffee right here is free as well. And we got many glasses and cups. This is all come with a price. Okay, it's also quite complete. Hey, nothing here. Okay. Wait, okay. All the drinks right here is also chargeable. Of course, this fruit is for me, but the others they will charge you if you use it. And another part of this room is like a second toilet. It's for guests. Got sink and also complete amenities with total washlet. Pretty nice. Whoa, okay, thank you. There's a big mirror right here. Lovely. Alright, that's all for the suite room tour. This suite isn't too big, but it's quite well designed. It's also very premium in this Intercontinental Kaohsiung. So I will take a rest and I will bring you to the lunch breakfast tomorrow. See you! Right now we are at Kaohsiung Public Library. Look at this fabulous lighting at night. And this is the hotel, Intercontinental, where we stay right here. So you got a very good view of the harbor of the Kaohsiung over there.
Now let's head to Wara Japanese restaurant on the 5th floor for supper. It serves main courses until 10 p.m, then becomes a bar with signature light shows till midnight. With our vouchers, we got red wine, white wine, and kombucha for free. We also ordered fried items to share with little Leon. Honestly, the taste didn't amaze me, and portions were surprisingly small for the price. I'll probably try other restaurants next visit. It's late now, and Leon wants to sleep. Good night, friends. See you tomorrow. Good morning, Kaohsiung. The room view faces the harbour and the iconic 85 Sky Tower, while the living area offers a stunning cityscape. So beautiful and premium. Before revealed the breakfast services at Club Lounge and hotel facilities. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. With lounge access, we enjoyed an a la carte breakfast in a private setting. It's similar to the lobby restaurant, Seeds, but with premium presentation. Unlike most of other Intercontinentals, guests here can't access both lounge and buffet, only invited to the lounge, which feels less generous. The food matches 5-star standards, but I was surprised nothing stood out. No doubt the presentation was excellent and quite full for sure. Even got an ocean fish steak in the morning. But waiting 15 minutes for Leon's small pancakes was unexpected. Compared to buffet restaurants, this might not be ideal for kids. They can't wait long, and we don't just hand them iPhones, right? After breakfast, let's explore the facilities. The gym and pool are at the back of the 6th floor. The indoor pool is another highlight. Many come for Instagram shots. Intercontinental Kaohsiung as a luxury leader. The showers and saunas feature Dyson dryers and Byredo amenities, maintaining a high-class vibe. A nice free service in-body test during your stay. But the gym is surprisingly small. Expect queues at peak hours. In summary, Intercontinental Kaohsiung is the pinnacle of southern Taiwan's luxury hotels, with top-tier hardware and software services. It makes me want to return again and again. However, the only flaw was the food didn't match same high standard as their solid offerings. That's all for today. Enjoy your Kaohsiung trip! In my next video, we will visit a 5-star luxurious hotel in Kaohsiung with young and modern design, Hotel Indigo Kaohsiung Central Park. Unbox amazing corner room with stunning park view. Enjoy chill rooftop bar and tasty breakfast buffet. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.